Today we will study about test of divisibility by number 7. Okay, so for that you have to follow these steps. Okay, there are two methods. Okay, you can either check directly by dividing a given number by 7, or you have to follow these steps. Okay, if you are good in division you can check directly, okay, or you can check these steps. Okay, so what does this step say? Pick a last digit of the number and double it. Okay, so they will give you a number, and in that number you have to take the last digit and then you have to double it. So basically, how do you double it? That is by multiplying by 2. Okay, then you have to subtract the doubled number. Okay, you have already doubled the last digit, you have to subtract that doubled number from the rest of the number, from the remaining number. Okay, so you will get a difference after subtracting. If the difference is divisible by 7, okay, after subtracting, if the difference is divisible by 7, then the original number or given number is also divisible by 7. So if the difference is still a big number and if we are not sure of its divisibility by 7, then we have to repeat steps 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we will see an example. So I will write a 6-digit number here, that is 4,58,409. 4,58,409. So we have to check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, we have to check it. So what does the procedure say? Pick a last digit of the number. So in a given number, last digit is 9. So you have to take it. Okay, so you have to double it. 9 into 2 is 18. Okay, pick a last digit of the number and double it. Okay, last digit ಯಾವುದು 9, ಅದನ್ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? 18 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 18, ದಿಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವುದು? ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲಿ? 45840 ಅಂದರೆ 45,840. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ 9. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ 9. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? -18 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9 and multiply it by 2, then subtract it by this number from the rest of the number. Okay, so how much we get? 45,822. So it is still a big number, so we are not sure whether this difference is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, so again we have to repeat the procedure 1, 2 and 3. So in this last digit is 2, so you have to double it. 2 2s are 4. Okay, you have to subtract this 4 or double number from the remaining number, that is 4,582 minus 4. How much we get? 4,578. This is also a big number. We are not sure whether it is divisible by 7 or not. So we have to take last digit and multiply it by 2. 8 2s are 16. So we got 16. So we have to subtract it from 457 minus 16. How much we get? 441. Okay, so we are not sure whether this 441 is divisible by 7 or not. So we will take the last digit again, that is 1, and we have to multiply it. 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, so subtract it from the remaining number. 44 minus 2 is 42. This 42 is present in the multiplication table of 7, that is 7 6 is 42. That means this 42 is completely divisible by 7. Okay, therefore since this 42 is divisible by 7, we can say 4,58,409 is also divisible by 7. Okay, we can check this number directly also. Okay, we can check for the divisibility directly also. How do we check that? That is by dividing the given number, that is 4,58,409 by 7 directly. So 7 6 are 42. So after subtracting we got 3. I take 8 down here. 7 5s are 35. We will be left with 3. So I will take 4 down here. 7 4s are 28. So we will be left with 6, and I will take the 0 down. So 7 8s are 56. We will be left with 4, and I will take 9 down. Okay, 7 7s are 49. Okay, so whichever method is simple, you can follow that method. That means since the remainder is 0, the given number 4,58,409 is divisible by 7. Okay, we can check it for another number, whether 2,455 is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, how do we check it? We have to take the last digit and double it. 5 2s are 10. Okay, then subtract this number from the remaining number. 245 minus 10 is 235. So we are not sure whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. So we again take last digit, that is 5. 5 2s are 10. Subtracted by the remaining number. 23 minus 10 is 13. In the multiplication table of 7 there is no 13. Therefore this 13 is not divisible by 7. Therefore the complete number, that is 2,455, is also not divisible by 7.